Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today's topic is Quality Council of India. It was set up through a public-private partnership model with the support of both Government of India and Indian industry represented by Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India, Confederation of Indian Industry and Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. It is a non-profit autonomous society registered under Societies Registration Act 1860. The Quality Council of India works for promotion of quality standards across various economic and social sectors such as manufacturing, education, health and environment. Now let us see about its governing council. It comprises of 38 members including the chairman and secretary general. The council has equal representation of both government, industry and also other stakeholders. The chairman is nominated by Prime Minister of India. He chairs the governing council and the governing body. The Quality Council of India is the umbrella organization of 5 boards. They are National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories, National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare, National Accreditation Board for Education and Training, National Accreditation Board for Certification Bodies, and finally, National Board for Quality Promotion. Now, let us see some of the objectives of Quality Council of India. To lead nationwide quality movement in the country through National Quality Campaign aimed at creating awareness among citizens and empowering them to demand quality in all spheres of activities. Next, to develop, establish and operate national accreditation programs for various service sectors such as education, health, environment protection, governance, social sectors and infrastructure sector. And also to encourage development and application of third-party assessment model for use in government, regulatory organizations and society. It also promotes quality competitiveness of India's enterprises, especially MSMEs, through adoption and adherence to quality management standards and quality tools. And finally, it operates an appeal mechanism to deal with unresolved complaints. Now, let us see a question based on this. With reference to Quality Council of India, consider the following statements. Statement number 1. QCI was set up jointly by Government of India and Indian industry. This is true. Statement number 2. The chairman of QCI is appointed by Prime Minister on the recommendation of industry to the government. This is also true. So the answer is C, both 1 and 2. Thank you.